guys, it's Emmanuel from Emmax. Today we're doing the unboxing and the quick review of the Umidigi A5 Pro. So let us bring out this bad boy. This is the Umidigi. Open the box, you see the user warranty card. That's the first thing you see at the box. The second thing you see a thank you note from Umidigi. Thank you for purchasing Umidigi, and you'll see a giveaway, so it's not important. So I'm bringing out something special out from the box, is the Umidigi A5 Pro. Inside the box you get a free phone case that's made out of rubber. In the box you see a charging adapter, not a fast charging adapter, and last the normal USB charger. So that's what we have here. So let us keep this one aside. To tell you what, holding this phone in your hand feels good. Under the phone you see a 3.5 headphone jack, a USB, and a speaker. On top of the phone you see nothing, and beside the phone you see the SIM injector on the phone. So this bad boy is powered up. Love how it feels in the hand. The screen size of the Umidigi A5 Pro is 6.3 FHD plus water drop notch on it. The reason why I love this Umidigi A5 Pro, the most reason I love it is the resolution, because a resolution of 118 times 2280 LTPS display on a mid-range smartphone is worth buying. Using this in outdoor environment came with a great performance. You don't need to cover your phone while using it. The phone back made up of aluminum alloying glass on it, and a fingerprint at the back side. To give a hint, sliding up and down the menu side sounds so smooth, and clicking to a menu side like the settings, responding to commands sounds so impressive. It came with a 9.0 Android stock update, not a customized OS just like other phone. A 9.0 Android stock update. Now social media performance, using the phone for your social media usage, I'll give you a quality on that, because it will not like, it's not like it's responding fast, but you'll just get a bit of a slowdown using it on social media usage on the Umidigi A5 Pro. So besides the mid-range smartphone and what your pocket is talking about the price, let us conclude to a situation like that. So now let's click to, we're going to move over to the gaming side. She'll show you how the gaming performance is. So using this game to playing Clash of Clans on it, I would like to say it's really slow when you play Clash of Clans on it with a MediaTek P23. You're never expecting a fast performance in gaming. Switching over to the camera performance on the Umidigi A5 Pro. On the screen you can see the camera specification.
Well, let's do 4 times. What the fuck? Who's gonna do that 4 times? Man, it's like that is it. You fucking asshole. Eh? What's up? Woo! So this is how the video camera look like on the mic, on the video camera. Like, right on it. Oh yeah, let's run, let's run. Yeah. I think
Holding this phone in your hand, look like you're holding the latest flagship model phone, and I must confess, it feels good when holding it without the pouch to me. And also the battery performance is 4150 milliampere hour battery that can last for 2 days. To me, I'm sure it's going to last for 2 days, which I have not given it a try, but it's just a unboxing and a quick review.